Hello! Are you a theater nerd who loves stage makeup and who just needs some refreshing? Or are you a theater nerd who has no idea what stage makeup is? People from far away who are like in the nosebleed section, when those stage lights are on you, it kind of blurs you out. But if you have stage makeup that is more defined, then you have the ability to shine on the stage. Did you get it? Did you understand me?
So I'm first going to put up my hair because who likes makeup in their hair? And the makeup I'm going to be using is from Mascara Beauty Products and Smashbox and NYX and just a few things, but this is mainly mascara. So these are my two foundation colors, Amber and Aura, and my Indigo Contour. And we're going to be using Sandstone Lip and Cheek today. It goes on your lips and your cheeks. Woo woo! And then we need some setting powder. We're going to be using a bunch of eyeshadows. We've got Trust, London, and Rome. And it all comes in this beautiful compact, your own palette. So we're first going to start with my main color, which is Amber. And if you guys need to know your colors, comment below right now, match, and I will get you your colors. I'll tell you how to get it. Now we're going to go in with my lighter highlight color, just to kind of brighten up under the eyes and make it pop a little bit. And that's Aura. Now we're going to contour my face with Indigo. We come right under the cheekbone, we go on the forehead, and we go on the jawline. We also go on the sides of our nose, just to kind of bring back those shadows that are already naturally in our face. And contouring is so important in stage makeup. So you gotta get it right, but you can do it. I know you can. So now I'm kind of just adding a little bit more highlight right underneath, like over top and underneath some of our contouring. I also forgot I'm putting contour on my temples as well. And now I'm kind of just blending it. So let's pop in some color. Let's add some bold lips. We've got Sandstone, super pretty. Oh, this is my favorite tricks to not get the makeup on your teeth. And now I'm just gonna add some to my cheeks and kind of just really go bold. Like we need that color in our face and we need to be seen from the stage. Now I'm using some eyeliner from Melaleuca, from Sei Bella. And yeah, so I kind of do a wingtip. You can do whatever you feel is comfortable that'll pop your eyes. So now we're gonna do some eyeshadow. I'm putting on Rome right now just as a base. Now in the creases I'm putting on London, and more towards the corner of my eyes I'm putting on Trust. And it's just kind of adding dimension to your eyes as well. Now I'm going to put on an eyelash primer at NYX, and then I put on Perversion, or I do Smashbox mascara, and these are the ones that I just love so much. And we'll add a touch of highlight up and underneath my brows and just right under my eyes. We'll set it with a powder so that those lights don't, wash off our face or melt it off. So it's awesome. Setting powder is great. And that's your finished stage makeup look. And I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more stage makeup looks or Halloween or regular basis makeup, subscribe below. You won't regret it.